Do you want to save thousands of dollars on restoring your car headlights? This headlight has turned yellow and cloudy. Regular cleaning products cannot remove the oxidation or restore the clear surface. A laundry pod might help. It is not just for washing clothes. With the right method, it can become a useful cleaning compound. Watch the full video to see whether this simple trick really works. Begin by preparing a basic cleaning mixture. Take a laundry pod and cut open the outer plastic wrapping using a utility knife. Squeeze the contents into a small cup. Next, add a small amount of white vinegar to the cup. Vinegar helps break down oxidation, while the detergent lifts dirt and grease from the surface. Use a wooden stick to stir the mixture until the liquid becomes evenly blended. The solution should look smooth and slightly thick. I know a lot of you are experienced and creative, so leave your best tips in the comments and share the knowledge with everyone. Once the mixture is ready, dip a small paintbrush into the cup and apply the liquid evenly across the entire headlight surface. Cover the plastic lens completely so the cleaner can begin loosening the oxidized layer. Allow the mixture to sit for about 5 minutes. During this time, the solution softens dirt and begins breaking down the yellow film that has formed on the lens. After waiting, prepare a piece of 1000 grit sandpaper. Wrap the sandpaper around a small sponge to create a flexible sanding block. The sponge helps distribute pressure evenly across the curved headlight surface. Begin sanding the lens gently. Move your hand in slow, consistent strokes across the entire area. Avoid pressing too hard. The goal is to remove the damaged outer layer without digging into the plastic. Continue sanding until the surface becomes evenly dull. Once the sanding pass is complete, rinse the headlight with clean water. The water washes away sanding residue and reveals the progress more clearly. After finishing, wipe the lens dry using a paper towel. Next, apply another thin coat of the cleaning mixture using the brush. Spread the solution across the entire headlight once again. This layer helps keep the surface lubricated for the next sanding step. Now switch to 1500 grit sandpaper. This finer abrasive begins smoothing the surface further. Sand the headlight slowly while keeping the surface slightly wet. Move across the plastic from one side to the other with controlled strokes. After a few minutes, rinse the lens with water and wipe it dry. At this stage, most of the yellow discoloration should be gone. The surface may still appear hazy, but the deep scratches and heavy oxidation should be nearly removed. Continue with an even finer abrasive. Take a piece of 2000 grit sandpaper and begin the final sanding stage. This step focuses on refining the plastic surface and removing the micro scratches left by earlier sanding passes. Apply a small amount of water while sanding. Keeping the surface moist reduces friction and prevents heat buildup. Move the sandpaper gently across the lens with even pressure. Do not rush this step. Consistent movement produces the best finish. After sanding with the 2000 grit paper, rinse the headlight again and wipe it dry with a clean cloth. At this point, the lens should feel smooth and uniform. Next comes the polishing stage. Apply a small amount of toothpaste directly onto the headlight surface. Toothpaste contains fine abrasive particles that help polish plastic gently, using a clean, dry cloth. Rub the toothpaste across the lens in circular motions. Continue polishing until the surface begins to shine. This step removes the last traces of fine scratches left by sanding. After polishing, wipe away the toothpaste using a fresh cloth. Make sure to wipe the surface completely so no toothpaste residue remains. A clean lens ensures the next step works properly and allows the restoration coating to bond evenly across the headlight. The headlight should already look clearer and brighter than before. To finish the restoration, prepare a headlight restoration solution. This headlight restoration liquid works through gentle heating. The warming cup creates vapor that softens the outer plastic layer, allowing it to reflow and restore clarity across the lens surface. You do not need much. Just pour a small amount to cover the bottom of the cup. The goal is to produce vapor that rises and restores the headlight surface. Plug in the heating unit and allow the solution to warm. Once the liquid reaches the proper temperature, carefully move the heated vapor across the headlight surface. Slowly pass the cup beneath the lens. As the vapor rises, it melts and reflows the outer plastic layer. Move the heated solution steadily across the entire lens. Do not hold it in one spot for too long. The surface will begin to turn clear almost immediately as the vapor restores transparency. Simple steps like these can extend the life of many vehicle components. Instead of replacing expensive parts, careful maintenance often restores them to excellent condition. If this repair guide helped you, share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more practical workshop projects that save money and improve everyday equipment. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next restoration idea.